Good morning, Spectrum High School students. It is Tuesday, January 5th, and I finally get to say that it is 2021. So welcome to the new year, but also welcome to just the last 2 weeks of the semester. So with that, we are on our final push. You are encouraged to do everything that you can to stay organized and to continue to keep your motivation levels up as the semester comes to a close. The semester does end on the 15th of January, so that would be 1 week from this Friday. And so you are encouraged to obviously continue to complete as much of your coursework as you possibly can. Be reaching out to your teachers, school counselors, Mr. Scobe, myself, if you are in need of assistance or direction on anything in relation to your classwork or anything else that needs to be done or accomplished or support that you might need. With that, we are on to birthdays this week. We have short announcements. We don't have anything else besides that. So our birthdays, January 4th, which was yesterday, was Will Ambrose's birthday. Happy belated birthday, Will. January 5th, today, it is Will Orton and Jack Yost's birthday. Happy birthday, guys. January 8th is Dylan Rosansky, and January 9th is Grace Milkey, Alexa Zuniga, and Gavin Tuckey. Happy birthday to those guys. Again, let's get to work here these last 2 weeks. You're encouraged to do your very best and reach out if you need support. Take care, everybody. Have a great week.